Welcome to Yadgiri Jaws. Ever wondered what's in that photo? You know, the one you found in an old album or received from a friend, but you can't quite make out the details. It can be quite a mystery, right? Jaws. Picture Smart AI has the answers. This revolutionary tool is designed to help you uncover the hidden stories within your photos, making the invisible visible. It's like having a personal assistant that can see and describe every detail for you. Navigating the digital world often means bumping into photos and charts without descriptions. Frustrating, right? Imagine trying to understand a complex image without any context, or struggling to decipher a chart that lacks labels. It can be a real headache. Not anymore. With JAWS Picture Smart AI, simply press Insert plus Spacebar, followed by P to submit a photo for analysis. It's that easy. This simple shortcut opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to gain insights into your images with just a few keystrokes. This feature harnesses cutting-edge AI from OpenAI's ChatGPT and Anthropic's Claude to describe what's in your images. These advanced technologies work together to provide detailed and accurate descriptions, making sure you never miss out on important information. Imagine knowing the number of people in a photo, their activities, or even the color of the sky and trees. Whether it's a family gathering, a scenic vacation spot, or a busy street scene, JAWS Picture Smart AI can tell you all about it. It can even read text on signs or clothing. This means you can understand the context of a protest sign, a t-shirt slogan, or any other text that appears in your images. This feature is particularly useful for identifying important information that might otherwise be missed. Picture Smart AI turns the visual into the understandable, making digital content accessible like never before. This transformation is not just about convenience, it's about empowerment and inclusivity. It ensures that everyone, regardless of their visual abilities, can fully engage with digital content. Whether it's a complex chart, a scenic landscape, or a group photo, JAWS has got you covered. No more guessing games or feeling left out of the loop. You can now fully engage with all types of visual content. This means more independence and less reliance on others for help with visual information. Experience a whole new level of independence and clarity. With JAWS Picture Smart AI, you can confidently navigate your digital world, knowing that you have the tools to understand and interpret any image you encounter. This tool is a game changer for anyone who needs assistance with visual content. Dive into your digital world with confidence using JAWS Picture Smart AI. Thank you for watching. Follow for more videos. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your digital experiences.